Everyone, I am Supreet. First of all, huge thank you for the amazing response to my last video. Your like, comment and support truly motivate me to bring you accurate and detailed market update every day. Now let's dive into today's market performance and what it means for the tomorrow. Let's take a market overview. Sensex closed at 80,364.94, down by 61.52 points. Nifty 50 ended at 24,634.90, down by 19.80 points. Market started cautiously but lost momentum throughout the day. Investors viewed global uncertainties, the upcoming RBI policy meeting, and sector-specific news. The overall sentiment was slightly cautious, with the pockets of buying in PSU banks and energy stocks. If we talk about the global cues, US market, S&P 500 and Nasdaq showed mixed trend overnight, with the technology and industrial under pressure. Asian market, Nikkei and Hang Seng were slightly up, while Shanghai Composite was weak. Dollar index stable, supporting global currency trend. These global cues influence domestic investor sentiment, creating short-term volatility in the indices. Now, let's talk about the one update, which is index rebalancing. Today, Nifty and major indices underwent quarterly rebalancing. There are two stocks, Interglobe Aviation and Max Healthcare Institution, were added in Nifty, and Hero Motocorp, IndusInd Bank were gone from the Nifty. Rebalancing often lead to temporary buying or selling pressure as the ETF and mutual fund adjust portfolios. Traders should note that these moves are short-term and may not indicate long-term trend. Now we are going to see why the market declined. The first reason is global uncertainty. Overnight international volatility kept traders cautious. The second reason is domestic policy anticipation, as investors awaited RBI MPC guidance on the interest rate and inflation trend. Third reason is sector-specific pressure. IT and media stocks experienced profit booking, partially offset by gains in PSU banks and energy sector. Now let's take a look at sectorial highlights. PSU banks outperformed, providing stability to the indices. Media stock declined due to the selective profit booking. IT and pharma mixed activity, reflecting global demand concern. Energy supported by the firm crude price and stable global demand. Let's look ahead. RBI policy. Tomorrow, the RBI MPC meeting will be the closely watched key points. Policy rates. Any change in repo or reverse repo rates may impact banking and financials. Inflation outlook. RBI's stance on inflation will influence interest rate sensitive sector. Market reaction. Trader may adopt cautious position today and adjust tomorrow based on the RBI guidelines. Let's talk about the short-term market outlook. The Nifty support is 24,500 and Nifty resistance 24,800. Expect selective buying in banking and energy stocks, while IT and media may remain cautious. Watch global cues, crude price and RBI policy for the guidelines. What investor sentiment? The market showed cautious optimism today. Fear, greed indicators suggest moderate risk appropriate, while VIX India Volatility Index remains slightly elevated, meaning short-term volatility may continue. Now, closing note, today's market demonstrate how global trend, domestic policy, sector news and index rebalancing influence trading behavior. Thank you again for your support and encouragement. This is Supreet bringing you the ultimate evening market wrap. Stay tuned for the tomorrow's morning market outlook and trade wisely. Thank you.